Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss degree first semester English most important questions from section B, that is summaries. So students, as you are already aware that we have unit 1 to unit 5 in total, and each unit is having one poem and one prose. So any one you can learn, okay? Either learn all the poems or all the prose or one poem from one unit. From the second unit, maybe you feel that the prose is more easy, so you go with the prose. Like that, you can learn any five. Now let us see question number 9. Question number 9 is the first question in section B. In this, again, one prose and one poem. So poem we have sonnet 30. From sonnet 30, these two questions are most important. In what way is sonnet 30 both personal and universal in its expression of grief? How does sonnet 30 show the connection between time and emotional pain? Okay. Now for both these questions, you can just write the summary. Now how to write the summary? I already told you students, under 3 headings you can write the summary. All summaries are uploaded in the playlist. Just check in the comment section, you will find the playlist. Under 3 headings we need to write about the author or poet, explanation and message. Everything I have explained, just check the playlist, okay? So you can learn this poem or you can learn the prose lesson, that is the Apology of Socrates. From this, two questions are important. Discuss the theme of civic duty in the Apology. Does Socrates consider himself a good citizen of Athens? Why and why not? What are Socrates' views on death and justice, and how do these beliefs shape his attitude during the trial that he faced? So, again, you can write the summary. So, any one you have to learn. Now, moving on to question number 10. In question number 10, we have the poem The Solitary Reaper. Discuss the themes of the poem The Solitary Reaper. Attempt a critical analysis of the poem The Solitary Reaper. So these two are the most important questions. Again, you can write the summary. You can learn this, or you can learn the prose lesson The Old Tiger and the Traveler from the Hytopedisa. From this lesson, these two questions are important. Discuss whether the tiger's behavior is purely evil or if it reflects natural law. Explain the moral of the story, The Old Tiger and the Traveler. All these summaries are uploaded, students. Check the playlist as soon as possible. Now let us see question number 11. This comes from unit number 3. In this you have the poem Frost at Midnight. From this poem, two questions are most important. What does the poet mean by the secret ministry of frost? List and explain the things the poet as a father hopes for his child. So again you can write the summary for this. Or Mr. Sherlock Holmes, explain the experiment Holmes was conducting and its significance. Sketch the character of Sherlock Holmes as discussed by Stamford and Watson. So these two questions are important from this lesson. So you just have a choice, students, between poem and prose. Then moving on to question number 12. This comes from unit number 4. In this unit, the poem is I Taste a Liquor Never Brewed. These two questions are most important. Dickinson uses exaggerated language, inebriate of air, tongue cards scooped in pearl to express joy. Discuss how does the poem I Taste a Liquor Never Brewed reflect a different way of understanding religion or spirituality. Okay, this poem also I have uploaded, students. You can learn this summary or you can learn the summary of To Build a Fire. This is a prose lesson. So again, two questions are there, most important. What role does experience play in London's story? Examine how the man's overconfidence and lack of imagination led to his tragedy. Question number 13, which comes from unit number 5. In this you have the poem Where the Mind is Without Fear. From this poem, two questions are most important. Examine Tagore's spiritual and humanistic worldview in context of this poem. Tagore's idea of freedom transcends political independence. Discuss. So you can again write the summary, or you can learn the prose lesson, the overcoat. From this lesson, two questions are most important. Write a note on the transformation of Akaki's life brought about by the new overcoat. Explain the themes in the story, the overcoat. So in total, you need to do 5 answers. Each answer carries 12 marks, okay? Means each summary. So total 60 marks you can get from section B. Rest 20 marks is section A. Section A, which is grammar, I'm going to upload this, students. So just stay tuned to my channel. If you have any more doubts, then let me know in the comment section. Students, if I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video. And if you want easy notes, then don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID. And do check out the playlist which I have given in the comment section, and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.